National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a flash flood warning for southern Independence County in north central Arkansas, Woodruff County in eastern Arkansas, northeastern Prairie County in central Arkansas, Jackson County in eastern Arkansas, northwestern Monroe County in eastern Arkansas, eastern White County in central Arkansas until 6:45 p.m. at 3.
Oh man.
Arkansas until 6:45 p.m. At 3:41 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain moving into the warned area. Flash flooding is likely to occur. Given the amount of rain received over the past several days, flash flooding will occur quickly, with rapidly rising water. Seek higher ground. Experienced flooding include Augusta, Hazen, Bald Knob, Diaz, Patterson, Grubbs, Fredonia, Pleasant Plains,
Drugs?
Oil Trough, Russell, Jacksonport, Tupelo, Hunter, Algoa, Alfred, Allendale, McCrory, McFadden. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life.
Uh-oh, we have a doubleheader. Well, this isn't good.
The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Cleburne County in north central Arkansas, northeastern Faulkner County in central Arkansas, northwestern White County in central Arkansas until 4:30 p.m. At 3:43 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Guy to near Greenbrier to near Pickles Gap, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Searcy, Greenbrier, Quitman, Guy, Pangburn, Rosebud, Enola, Mount Vernon, Crosby, Gravel Hill, Woolly Hollow State Park, Spring Hill, Holland, Latona, Albion, Barney, Sidon, Hopewell in Cleburne County, Pickens in White County, Floyd. The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm.